All right, and that concludes technology predictions for 2020. Thank you everyone from vDiscovery team who participated in this. Guys, if you put your technology predictions in the comment sections below, thank you for that. If you have any predictions on your own, be sure to put them in right now below this video. One thing to keep in mind, these were people's personal opinions, right? This is how they see the technology world evolving. And we have different people in this company work in different areas. You know, we have people in paper, we have project manager, we have tech, forensics, and so on. So different people see these things happening on different levels from different perspectives and so on. This is not about being right or wrong. This is simply people's opinions, just like anything you read online anyway. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow vDiscovery on social networks listed on your screen. And for previous videos, check us out on YouTube. Bye.